The first step in brightening up your home is to connect your controller to your Wi-Fi network. You do this by opening up your Wi-Fi settings on your phone and selecting Bright Home Lights. Alternatively, you can open up your web browser and go to 4.3.2.1. Scan and locate your home's Wi-Fi network. Enter the network name, then enter the network's password. Once you've saved and connected, then open the Bright Home Lights app. This is your device selection screen. Here you can turn on or turn off your device, increase your device's brightness, or select a device for additional controls. This is your color selection screen. Here you can change your lights to whatever colors you'd like, or you can choose from one of the many preset color palettes available. This is your effects screen. Here you can choose from multiple effects already predefined. Some of these effects allow you to change the colors by going back to your color screen. While some effects allow you to change your color scheme, other effects have preset colors that cannot be changed. Either way, you have plenty of options to select from. This is your segment screen. It allows you to divide your lights into individual parts to control separately. More will be covered in the advanced tutorial video. This is your preset screen. Presets are a way for you to save your favorite effects for easy access. Here you can create or activate your presets. To create a preset, select the colors and effects that you would like to save from the Colors and Effects page. From the Presets page, select Create Preset. Name your preset and save it for future use. Playlists allow for you to link multiple presets together to play in a sequence. More information on playlists will be covered in the advanced tutorial.